channel. How's everyone doing? And also, smash that like and subscribe button now already. Let's get it over with. Also, this morning, not a car event. It's Century Go-Karts today, YouTuber challenge, and I'm part of it. The last time I had it, yeah, I was not a part of it, and the FOMO hit hard. But I'm on my way now. It starts at 9, it's already 8:37. I'm late, but you can't trust because speed traps all over the place. So yeah, next thing, you guys will get me there. So there's a whole lot of other YouTubers doing it, and it is sponsored by Century Karting themselves. So give them a follow, give them a like on all their socials, and if you haven't yet, go around, give it a try with the boys. Last time I was there, a little bit disappointed there was no timing for me. I was a little bit pissed off, but that's making up for it. It's making up for it. Maybe a drink also. Anyways, let's go. Good morning, everybody. At the spot now, and as you do, just this man here was first. This man's here. We got veg fry here. We got this woog EK over here. Let's go chicken next to her. Eat it off. No, but it's stock height, so we're good.
Look at the difference here.
Yes. Wait, say this. Stop. I want to see the difference in height. Let's go. Jihad. No, bro, what's happening? Salam. You alright? Alhamdulillah, bro. I spotted this man on the M5 the other day. From the other side, you can't miss it, bro. And we got Mr. Mac Media. I'm not going to show the other side. We shorter rim. I'm not going to show the other side. Oh, we still shorter rim.
This is actually my wheels that I make for.
Let me see.
This side needs some wheels.
Nice. Now it is clever. No one looks at both sides at the same time. So if you want to do different rim vibes, that's how you do it. One side and the other side you make so. This man's my tinted in front window. Let's give it a shot. Oh fuck, let's go! This car's low as shit and I'm an old man. Fuck, you don't even notice it, yeah. Shoo! Maybe let me rub that swamp ass right here, maybe. And then for years, oh, Poppy Egg, we can, bro, nice meeting you finally, has it? And we got for years, whoop, I know it's 2 extra wheels. Oh, there's the auntie, sorry, my bad, Poppy Egg. Van is here, nice and early. On the corner, welcome. So it is 9 o'clock, just double checking, it's 9 o'clock, right? And the main man is not here. Jerry. The M3. Who are we talking to here? Jody? Right, nice to meet you. You guys gonna be marshalling, am I right? Marshalling today. Yeah, this man fell in the highlight the point, young. Morning, bro. Yo, nice to meet you. Welcome, and you are? Shanae from Century Karting. Okay, I'm new here. I wasn't here last time. Let's go check it out here. So we have a nice entrance. We have some red carpet vibes going on here. The red carpet vibes. And then the whole inside. So we have the top list. As you can see, I'm right on top in the middle. Wait, check it, right on top. Can't miss it. Pricing. And then, oh, they sell helmets. Oh, that's cool. And then there's the layout. The layout is the same. It's been the same for a few years now. We have a little bit of a tuck shop here. Vincent man pulled the Brian in Fast and the Furious 2, my bro. We just let this guy know. Literally 40 minutes ago, maybe 40 minutes ago, and the man's is here, bro. What's up, my guy? Always. Track experience, this guy can drive this shit. And we got this man's. So the boys are out today, no mates. Boys are out today, bro. And then Shakil, wait, Shakil wanna pull up? Hey. Okay, brother. Salam. Louvers on and watch. Like, salam, brother. How are you? Yeah, alright, alhamdulillah. Boys are out this morning, we're gonna have some fun. I don't have the cardio for this at all. I don't know how I'm gonna do, But yeah, let's get in there. We all signed our life already, and then we're gonna go prepare. We're gonna go prepare. We're gonna go prepare. So I'm gonna follow this man, and that's the winner's podium. Sure, I'm gonna feel this shit today, let me tell you. I'm on the radio. Am I the only one with the shorts? I get warm in a race, bruh. I get warm in a more aerodynamic, my guy. That's why. This is the one I want. Guys, where's the Owens? I want this one. Check the exhaust on that one. I want this one. Whatever one this is, I want it. Hi! Kapan, my guy?
Welcome everyone to Century Karting. My name is Rocky, and I'll be one of the marshals for today. I'll be explaining the flags and what they mean.
I thought the boys are ready to go, so we split up. It's not just a straight out fight. We split up into 2 groups of 6, and yeah, some guys are gonna go first. Obviously, heavy guys maybe together, and the light guys together. Faster guys from that will be in the qualifiers and so on. A little bit different. It's not just a race, but we are gonna race. Now the guys are busy setting up. I'm just mentally preparing myself for the arm ache that I'm gonna get. So yeah, guys are ready. Men's got the helmets on. People, GoPros are already recording. I don't know what's happening. No one's racing yet. But I was ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's run.
I'm already having problems. Maar ja, nou niet! Ik kan mee, bro! Dat is niet toe! Alright! Look at this man's time, my bro. 15. Hey. Oh. Cobra. This man drives so shit, my bro. Yay. Why drives so shit? Hey, why drive you? This arme boy, my bro. In the walls twice, my bro. from this man here, from his 15.87 times here. Is that your best time, 15.87? 15.87.
That's my best time today. I think on Friday I'm 57.
Okay.
So yeah,
I don't know how to not make a drift though. Fucking shit's drifting all over the place. So he's just out for a Sunday drive, me. Bros, man, you're right. Put it there, my guy, night quiet. What happened with the leg move there? I just missed it.
My foot is in the car, I'm touching the brakes, I'm going to put my leg up.
Oh, okay. Ergonomics. Ethan. Yay! Ethan in the top 6. Hey, bro, here we go. Yeah, really. You knock the person in front of you to the wall. That's what the fucking cheat code is. The cheat code is you knock them in the wall, then they get out of your way. That's how it works. Then it's just there. Mommy, that corner. And it's just like, oh, then it's just, I'm sorry.
Your eyes are biting today.
Nice. Sure, buddy. Thanks, man. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Mommy, I made it. Number 2 podium finish, boy. Let's go.
So, Keegan rated 16.083.
Yay.
And Gian rated 16.267.
So. Nah, quiet. Get the beer, answer. Look at the boys. Everybody out. Sorry if my hand is shaking, guys.
For the second group, third place, we'll have Yaki with a 16.7.
Yay!
Second place, we'll have Yusuf with a 16.7.
Yay, my bro! Let's go!
In first place, we'll have Saeed with a 16.3.
Yay! What? That Kilo Spec new to the vibes. So like, subscribe, because this man just started now popping up the shorts, don't miss. And we got Fayaz, Mr. Tops, but he's got the most seat time of most people here. So I'm not making excuses, but okay, folks, that's it for Century Karting. If you want to come around, just come around. Just, you know, you gotta, if you miss arm day, you gotta come here. Anyway, it's a mad fun with the boys. Made it second of the slowest lot. Number 2, I just can't get the hang of riding this course. A lot of guys, they keep the grip around the bends. I keep drifting. I like it, but it does kill time, and it obviously shows on my left time. I should be like a 16 flat or a 16.1 or 2 without the drifting. But yeah, I had a mad time. This is so cool. Shout to Century Karting again. Thank you. We got New Zealand Nation Resistance. Lifestyle is here. We have Stance Media. We got Toyota Manor. We got some late customers guy TV here. Yeah, Snapshot Media. Ooh, we got Doc Video also from TikTok. Just the Bad Productions. The guys are doing it and we might do this again. But yeah, guys, I need to do a whole lot of arm and cardio so I can even try and keep up with those guys. But yeah, I'm out, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe down below. I'm done. I am so done. Gotta go home now. It's past 10. Wife is probably gonna kill me. So, guys, bye.